How to log in Facebook with phone number. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first step is you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface over here. So here you can see there are two text fields which are for entering your information associated with your Facebook account. So in the first text box, you can enter your mobile or email, and similarly in the second text box, you can enter your password associated with your Facebook accounts. If you forget your account, you can also go for find your account option, where you will be helped to find your account and you can easily log in. By trying to log in Facebook with phone number, in the first text box you have to tap and enter your mobile number, and in the second text box you can enter your password. And once you are done entering, you can go for login option, and after few seconds of loading, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Facebook with phone number. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any confusions regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.